Hello, it's Kruze Hunter-Boyd here, CEO and founder of the Kruze Institute. And do you want to know why so many people struggle to get the results they want in their life? It's because they never get a mentor. They never get help. And it's when you actually humble yourself and you get a mentor, someone who is actually where you want to be in life, that you can cut through the noise and literally in 12 months, you can have a life-changing transformation and get to where most people would get in 5 to 10 years and just cut straight through the noise. And truth be told myself, I've had multiple mentors and spent over 200,000 on my own personal growth. And one thing that I've learned that is common between multimillionaires and billionaires is that they all invest in themselves. They've all had mentors. They all understand the concept that the more you learn, the more you earn. The more you learn, the more you earn. And understanding that you are your greatest asset. When you invest in yourself, in high income skills, in money making skills, in the skill sets that are going to create a life by design and the future that you want, then you're able to set yourself free. And nobody just makes success overnight. All the people that you see online, myself, other people out there, we've all had mentors. We all have had a helping hand along the way. And I think in this online world and on planet Earth, if more people humbled themselves and actually knew that asking for help and actually getting a mentor who is further ahead of you, there's nothing wrong in doing that. It's actually a benefit. It's actually going to serve you. And by not doing it and the longer that you wait, you're only doing yourself, your friends, your family, the people that you can help, your team members, your business, your results, the money that you can make, the impact while you're here on planet Earth. You're only doing that as your service because you're being selfish. You're thinking about yourself instead of getting a mentor and someone that can help you cut through, get straight to the results you want and give you that esoteric and specialized knowledge to take action. And the second thing is that you also need someone to keep you accountable. Because as human beings, we are very bad at taking action and following through on our word because our brain is designed to take the path of least resistance. And if you don't actually know how to make your vision and your goals the path of least resistance, so you're flowing towards them, and you've got a mentor who can show you the way, and you've got people there, a great circle of influence and a mentor to keep you accountable, well, it's very easy to stay in our comfort zones, which is why 97% of people don't have the results they want and they don't live a life by design and the life that they truly want to on their heart. So just humble yourself, understand that the more you learn, the more you earn. Pick up some podcasts, pick up some books, get that mentor, take that next step in your journey and watch yourself fly and soar to big results faster than what you knew possible by actually getting a mentor and reaching out for help. Bye for now.